If you're tired of distractions, the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are your ultimate escape, offering unrivaled noise cancellation. These aren't just good. They feature industry-leading noise-canceling technology that truly silences the world around you, from busy commutes to noisy offices. Experience pure audio bliss as your music, podcasts, or calls come through with breathtaking clarity, free from external interference. And you won't be tethered to a charger thanks to an incredible 30-hour battery life, ensuring your soundtrack lasts all day and beyond. That means uninterrupted listening on long flights or through multiple workdays, perfect for anyone looking to invest in reliable audio. Seamlessly switch between your phone and laptop with multipoint connection, making these the most versatile wireless headphones you can buy. It's this blend of cutting-edge technology and intelligent design that sets the WH-1000XM5 apart from other headphones on the market. Ready to upgrade your audio experience? Check out the link in the description for the best price on Amazon right now. Don't just listen to music. Immerse yourself in it with a pair of headphones designed for the modern listener seeking premium quality. For the ultimate in noise cancellation, battery life, and convenience, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are an absolute must-have. Grab yours today.